sentiment fongdokpoina akhoi wahan fongdokpoina peaceful rally chatpa kanda akhoi government na thingba habse undemocratic hoitini adubu peacefully akai attack thokhandana khana chainadana noina thoke hairusu akhoi yai adubu khanaba chainabadi tawbignu haibagi appeal ga loina akhoi rally ni chathandani rally e family ko khattana le tonga mapam da sumana peaceful rally Perza singya pambo fongdokpoina natal mo ki harau fongdokpoina sigumba democratic exercise di sumaina dorle ado government na supreme court law ya batawni ado bo kudak ta khamhaudana thokki ko to sida uncontrollable situation ase perza ko namang na khangba khangdaba khangde loine involved torak padigi government ki machinery ya no control to sikha wara ado perza na sida yaurga tawni perza na mo control to darji kana na sumungo to honorable chief minister yauna governor yauna apai india ke honorable vice president manipur da visit la pagi apai maga company to ba ma receive to ba so to ba sida chinduna le sida bodok si thok hai ha ba ka ta koi kudat to pulle ngaran pungmanga de ayuk punga hoba cabinet me yam mla yam honorable cm yauna koi tum de bi da phamaga monitor to ni apai assam rifle BSF CRPF miyam so appeal dore moi miyam sulai koi command miyam sulai honorable chief minister na honorable home minister da kyarak su situation is mai dore aduna paramilitary force miyam su assist to bio na koi appeal dore ga kudak the company na paramilitary force na kudak the action law na to thorak pasi mo ki niyom ra le ki mutam khadi law ni adubo ahing nong yai matung da moi su thoga assist to bade hobni adubo le kai ko nei da sumai no mo bada thok ki bada da akoi commando or su spy MR army mana ni mo to ga ko pam ko ding da control to na ngai ko na buganda akoi state force na di prajage last to paganda da ko ki state force ka di match ko kare aduna uncontrollable situation si ngarang na king to na housing su to ya do spy sing su akoi stranded with liba akoi chenau mete sing di tracham da lekliba chenau asida koki sing infan da leba adu naga khrasu khra khudong thi to pa yai ha ba mapam sing da leba sing bo dia pena eba ko to na ba sing tanna adu monitor to ro housing so honorable chief minister monitor to ro le rescue dori at the same time mo ko the safe place da orang ba eba ko to na ba se khra ni purak ayub de ki purak ha ro ni mapam khra de moi chang bo ko da lambi ta ko ko le ge tam khra de lowi but it is still continue now aran ba pauni hai na itai sidar humor ni itai sidi uiramai na lowi exactly akoi I am not the right person to tell all this adu ba ji assess story khatina so ki bu su le asi bu su druk tre de le ran tai adu bo exact figure sidi akoi government spokesperson is hiding behind ale akoi de adu bai de na de Belly area the su vulnerable hoiba area mo khita haraga akoi state force be assist tawdi da ba tauri hoji so hoji assam ra pro changi akoi rescue to bot team sida assam ra pro na assist tawdi re the additional force su already state di paula raga sungarang ga hindi ki moi su therapy process ha ra ni nasai pung tram khai duai de khra de lakh ni han ta ni yaw su yaw housing se akoi tasena khap kanda akoi adu mum yam si su I'm not the right person to say from the security point of view da adu ba haidok ya ba haidok tabiya ba adu musu le adu kadda akoi asida conspirator oi si kanano kanana si instigator thokno instigator ma ni lawre hana lawre tasena thodok tholi bo yam si aduga akoi miyam da 2000 ni ma khati thok ni ba si kanana kaman to thok ki mandi but instigator ma de le lawai maram de moi na target to si church target to ba natural atai de target si sentiment sok ya ba target to si asi kari huma mo thok pa kanda kya thok ta ba ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯤꯃꯦꯟ ꯁꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯣꯃꯅꯦꯜ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯃꯣꯡ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯇꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ immediately sisi miyam stop tobiraga sigi thodopsi miyam punise koi wari tongminasi akoi si yauna toge karino pen dabudu prajana pen dabudu karino moina moigi demand du karino discuss toraga solution korak ya bakhattani there is nothing that we cannot bring solution for any problem there is always a solution when we discuss media du kuwe sai hai ku gumna ai IC matang the right person di woro kali adubo government step law ya de law ya de ai ya da assurance pige from the seriously law la center for ya ro bani si ya to e si involved ro e si mo pare ko le ha ni kra so pare nai ngarang yesterday said akoi manipur da talk ni ko to the money outside the state so anything can happen after that we should discuss anything can happen aduna by precaution law ga algata bhavanda vaishno delhi bhavanda vaishno natra guwahati bhavanda vaishno or natra gana by manipur ka le de mapamda asi mari le na to ya ban ke de ta na de koi center gi muteng su law ga ko yam dan de ko dan we will see according to the situation. First thing is, we would like to appeal to the people to calm down and immediately stop this unwanted activities that is going on right now. Adu galoi na akoi na haibade government the praja marada koi mediator ko darkar nahi redi moige adu Churchandpur ki Vaishno ko Imphal ki Vaishno akoi Naga Apex Organization yamnasu all communities Apex Organization ko appeal tawga tatta se topiro akoi wari community ya appeal tawri akoi legislature taraf ta isu akoi the service wherever it is needed anything action have the have ngamoi reaction law sira have the have ngamoi but any role that we can play in order to bring the situation into normalcy have the ready ni have sini prajamya takana ko do leader yang sab appeal tawri akoi community udat to community atu akoi ge hause honorable chief minister na akoi ge chinaw mete sing di organization yang so un ke lihat tai akoi Naga ge Apex Organization have the civil society yang da akoi appeal tawri you reach out to the counterparts immediately harmonize role kana lawri civil level da hana law biyo hana kana lawri to akoi na so hause immediately akoi kana da reach out to biya bataoge myam khangi budu ni ngara do putat to thok ke putat context kana so khangdre gari tawri myam chi panic oire pakhat kre myam na aduna hause situation se kita calm down oire de kana koi situation assess over le le da jam je but we identify to torapni since last night koi kada no danger le bas stranded koi bahai ta myam marak le ga pa ki bahai ta yum su me khadu ki le ga adu police na natra spies na pressure koi bam pham da temporarily khamba du pra le adu kui na le bi adu no thok ki process ki nasai ayu umari di ge hawra bane umari di ge hawra sum how is continue to akoi security lamps le ya hai na de di lawni maram de nasai hai bu gumna rally chakke ha bu kambuna peaceful rally ne hai bane peaceful rally chakke gari so ate kai phuk khaloi hai bane adu bu akoi government na kan thok de dum tawri sipai me dik chana thami adubu sipai sing da attack toba hoba adu di gadum talent toba hoba di udak ta taseng badi akoi manipur prajang ki hekta singumba focus government do so taining blame bi so biang dai but mainly our own problem is rumors akoi rumors ek trade to asa have to ne ada nubi bore to bi raha hai ada hap gira hai adu chino pu gira hai Habis hek thuk na somda domai aibu china mo dore asi to mo to ke habdu adu da message pinar ga to usna desi gumsi udak ta sentiment to dum thoga masam volunteer thoga gari to dum nos kan to pa government ke lapses ti ngarang gi thok to dil le akoi na orang tawam thok pa akoi na precautionary measure lo thok pa laure moi usa pin to moi su yes hai ni take a guy 400, there will be any untoward incident, it will be a peaceful rally happening. So, Razana peaceful rally happening, peaceful check in Kali, but according to Tom Top putting around, hate to see how putting it over there. But it become uncontrollable hatta. Lapses in that. Rally folk the say, Adumu folk needs to Kalamje. Razana Kazaya person. Maraxida anti-element. Wakan overseas so yaw to tawni has a koi kalam but still that ako na people are forced to be rega so Razapur district manunda na thari headquarters the PBI sikung the PBI mahausa na adu PBI the kirala but ngarang ge rally to the to the behind the screen kare lebra ko khangam marang the public na society peaceful rally happening just a peaceful rally. Ako kaisu asida pohan duba adu mathok halwai hadu mo assurance leki adu as I said democratic exercise ne sidi hana lawga thorak badada marang sida thoki bidu adu di security handle to boda from war pada and then after that rumors would spread out rumors in adi make sida muka Beli the main kami guna, how made the how amuka heavy guna do. Adu the whole state machinery is in kana so raised out there. All night I think not even a single security is sleeping. Even the ministers, MLAs, officers, mari lain mayam say kana sutum de ngasi sutum tri. Yeah, aku suyam na tum tri. Why picture ko di ure ko. Ay kung nasaya na ay betul ni government na law ang top ko doon immediately law karne step to law but for security point of view asida miyam na kanghan miyam sulay kanghan ba kanghan laga miyam mit magka ay magka daw sulay raw but as I said I think it is not a right time to reveal all that at the moment but right time daw ko kanghan laga so kasi ngarang kung maro ni ay one by one pawlaw na raga list tawre lekai the media lay lupi angang kya lay hoji lay di pom secretary SP aduga bagi IG DIG am se sarasam thajil aduga monitor tawka moi ko lothok paya tanja si yengba kanda state force ka ting am roi habgi aduna koi paramilitary force invite to adu paramilitary force reinforce to bana jaga moina thora kusi matam khara lauti moi process ka legi aduna after 2 AM they moi thora pa haure that by 4 they are ready to assist adu di 4 de gari thazin pa haure adu di matam nasai ayu angan bada about 300 people tadi uthok rakne and then it is still continue moi badi same torani and I law spice so pata assist of le nothing under process koi aduna ne koi ngasai na hai bido all community apex bodies atu ko phambi na ba ko appeal thana tawi yar ne koi naga ki site ki hai dare UNC tagai drop ta immediate initiative law biro ha moi sa se kana lawi meeting kana tawi moi appeal su tawi adu phambi na si ana sa appeal government taraf te ki so moi da appeal